Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Guru, your go-to channel for mastering English speaking skills. If you've ever felt like learning English takes too much time, then you're in the right place. Because today, I'm introducing a simple, effective, and time-saving method to improve your fluency in just 15 minutes a day. Ready to take the challenge? Let's get started. Why 15 minutes? Research shows that consistent practice, even in small amounts, is far more effective than occasional long sessions. It keeps your brain active, builds confidence, and helps you learn faster. So, let's make every minute count. How the challenge works. This 15-minute daily challenge is divided into 3 weeks, with each week focusing on different skills. Week 1, building vocabulary. Week 2, practicing conversations. Week 3, real-life scenarios. Let's break it down further. Week 1, building vocabulary, 5 days. Start with 5 new words every day. Write them down, learn their meanings, and use them in sentences. For example, word, explore. Sentence, I love to explore new places on weekends. Spend 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes writing, and 5 minutes saying these sentences out loud. Week 2, practicing conversations, 5 days. Now, let's get talking. Find a speaking partner or talk to yourself in front of a mirror. Use simple daily topics like, ordering food, can I have a sandwich, please? Asking directions, could you tell me where the nearest bank is? Repeat each conversation twice, focusing on clear pronunciation. Week 3, real-life scenarios, 5 days. In Week 3, bring English into your daily life. Practice in real-life situations. At a store, how much does this cost? On the phone, hello, may I speak to Alex, please? Record yourself to analyze your progress and improve further. Bonus tips. And here's how you can make the most of this challenge. Stay consistent. Don't fear mistakes, they're part of learning. Celebrate small wins, like completing a week or using a new phrase confidently. Are you ready to accept this challenge? Let me know in the comments if you're in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English Guru, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English too. Let's make learning fun and easy, one step at a time. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident. Bye-bye.